Good morning, grad students. I have had a few questions about your outline. And so I just thought maybe it would be better to just make a quick little video, set your minds at ease a little bit, and just give you a bit more information in case you're feeling a little lost and clueless on this. So, as I had explained before, the assignment description for your graduate paper can be found under Assignments in Module 3. It can also be found under the main Assignments tab on Blackboard under a folder that says Graduate Students Only. So you've got the two options for your paper. You can either do a mini prospectus or an annotated bibliography. And some people are wondering what the difference is between those two or why you should choose one over the other. Really, either one is a great learning experience. I always encourage people who are going to be writing a thesis or who are thinking about going to pursue a PhD to choose the mini prospectus route, because a prospectus is the first step to your thesis. And so if you're writing a thesis, this is great practice. If you are considering going on for a PhD, it's really good practice for your dissertation. If you have no interest at all in pursuing a PhD or anything like that, then the annotated bibliography is also a really, really great option. And either one, you're not going to make a wrong choice. So just put your mind at ease. You're not going to make a wrong choice there. And so with the annotated bibliography, you will just dig into a particular topic area and find several resources about that and just write a little annotation about that. And I've included some examples on there, and if you need more, I can definitely do that as well. Even if you don't have aspirations of going on for a PhD, but you want to take on the mini prospectus, do it. The assignments are equal, so it's not like one is harder than the other. And then the other thing that I want to say about that is you could change your mind 2 weeks from now, and that's totally fine. So say you choose the annotated bibliography for now, and then in a couple weeks you decide that maybe you want to actually try the mini prospectus. The great thing about this is the information and the data you collect for one is going to be useful in the other, should you change your mind. So for example, if you start on an annotated bibliography and you decide you want to do the mini prospectus, you'll just take all the research you found in the annotation part of it and put it in your mini lit review. So it all works out in the long run. Please don't stress yourself out about this too much. Now, in terms of topics, I would love to chat with you about topics. If you're feeling a little lost, if you're not really sure what to do, I want you to be really invested and excited about your topic, but I also want it to be connected to course content in some way, shape, or form, which in the grand scheme of things is super easy to do because, yay, the world of communication, everything is pretty interconnected. But like I said, if you're just I don't know, please shoot me an email. We'll set up a time to chat and I will help you come up with a topic. That's what I'm here for. And I actually love talking about stuff like this with our graduate students. So please don't hesitate to utilize me as a resource there. Technically speaking, the outline was due yesterday. I know some of you are struggling because you're I just didn't know what to do. So let's get it to me as soon as you can. Like I said last week, this is really more of a checkpoint. I just want to make sure that you're making progress and you're not leaving this until the last minute. And so you might be asking yourself, okay, so what does she need in this outline? I don't even need it to look like a perfect, typical outline. I just want to see that you are making progress. So for example, with the annotated bibliography, maybe all you put in this first outline is your topic area, why you chose it, and then you list 3 to 5 different resources that you've already found and plan on using. And then you give me a few sentences where you tell me where you're going from here, what the next part of the plan is, something like that. That's plenty. That's sufficient. That's all I need. If you're doing the mini prospectus, if you sketch out some ideas for your introduction, again, identify some sources you plan on using, talk about your proposed thoughts, your initial thoughts on what the data collection process would look like, or how you're going to go about doing that. Like, again, that's plenty. That's all I need. So please don't stress about this. Let me know if you have any questions, comments, concerns, you want to talk about topics, whatever, and we will get you on track. So nothing to stress about. And then somebody did ask me where the submission portal is. If you read the assignment sheet on Blackboard, it actually says to email it to me. So there is not a Blackboard submission portal for your outline. You just email it to me, and then I will provide you with more comments there. Alrighty, so like I said, holler if you need me. I'm excited to hear about your research ideas. This is one of my favorite parts of the job, so let me know how I can help. All right, have a great day.